I highly recommend Lauren's virtual course to anybody out there. A little bit of backstory for me. I was in Los Angeles trying to wholesale, had no luck. The competition out here is insane. And, I didn't have the money, the funds to really compete with those big players. I know there are a lot of successful people out here wholesaling, but it just was not working. And I decided, maybe it's time to just go virtual, hop in a virtual market and see if we have some success out there. And, once I decided that, I ended up joining Lauren's program, and I cannot recommend it enough. It made everything so simple, right? Lauren is an absolute expert and a genius when it comes to these systems, which is, in my opinion, the most important thing when it comes to virtual wholesaling. I've bought other virtual programs in the past, and a lot of them tell you, become friends with a real estate agent on the ground, blah, 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 but they don't really give you step by step what happens along that process and who you really need to build up on your team out there as your boots on the ground. And Lauren does that for you, right? She tells you everything you need. It's then just up to you to implement it. But it's super simple, right? It's not easy, but it's simple. And again, Lauren's energy, she's super positive, and it's just an awesome program, right? She's there for you every step of the way, and she really wants to see you succeed. If you have any questions, she's always there. High energy. It's just awesome. It's such an awesome program. I know I couldn't have been able to do it without her help, and I appreciate it so much because she made what virtual wholesaling was so complicated for me, and I didn't even want to do it because it seemed too complicated and too complex. And she breaks it down easy into a system that it just makes it simple, and anyone can do it, right? I would recommend this program for anyone. Lauren is awesome. The program is awesome. And yeah, anyone out there looking to join, I highly recommend it, especially if you want to go virtual, because it is the best virtual program that gives you step-by-step what to do, who to hire, and the systems in place, which is what Lauren is an expert at. So anyone out there, totally recommend it.